Welcome to today's discussion, where we're going to explore a crucial aspect of maintaining good health, keeping a balanced pH in your body. Many people don't realize how important pH balance is for overall wellness. When your body's pH levels are thrown off, it can have a profound effect on various physiological processes and even lead to an increased risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. By being mindful of the foods we eat, we can maintain a healthier pH balance and, in turn, support our bodies in preventing illness. In this video, we'll be focusing on 8 common acid-forming foods that can disrupt that balance and potentially increase the risk of health issues. We'll also talk about practical ways to reduce their impact on your body by balancing them with more alkaline foods. To understand why avoiding acid-forming foods matters, let's start with a brief explanation of pH balance. The term pH stands for potential of hydrogen, and it's used to measure how acidic or alkaline a substance is on a scale from 0 to 14. A pH of 7 is neutral, while numbers below 7 indicate acidity, and numbers above 7 indicate alkalinity. For the human body, the ideal pH level varies depending on where in the body we're measuring. For example, the blood is slightly alkaline, with an ideal pH range of about 7.35 to 7.45. Your stomach, on the other hand, is highly acidic, with a pH of around 1.5 to 3.5 to help break down food. Maintaining the right pH in your blood is vital because even small deviations can create an environment conducive to disease growth. When the body becomes too acidic, it can foster a breeding ground for various illnesses, including infections, inflammation, and potentially even cancer. Research has shown that cancer cells tend to thrive in more acidic environments. So keeping your body's pH balanced not only supports optimal bodily function, but also serves as a preventative measure against the proliferation of harmful diseases. Now, what exactly are acid-forming foods? These are foods that, when metabolized, produce acidic byproducts in the body. It's important to note that this doesn't necessarily mean the food itself is acidic. Rather, it's about how the food is processed and broken down once consumed. When your body digests these foods, they release minerals like phosphorus, sulfur, and chlorine, which contribute to lowering the body's pH. Some of the most common acid-forming foods include animal proteins, processed sugars, refined grains, caffeine, and alcohol. Consuming too many of these foods can lower your pH and disrupt the balance that's so crucial for maintaining good health. When your body is in a more acidic state, you may experience inflammation, fatigue, digestive issues, and a weakened immune system. Chronic acidity can also contribute to more serious conditions like osteoporosis and kidney problems. Balancing your diet with alkaline foods is one way to counteract this acidity. Alkaline-forming foods include fruits, vegetables, and plant-based proteins, which help neutralize acid and promote a healthier internal environment. Achieving a good balance between acid-forming and alkaline foods is key to supporting your overall wellness. Number 1. Meat. Let's begin by looking at meat, one of the biggest contributors to acid formation in the body. According to the research of Dr. Colin Campbell, a leading expert in nutritional biochemistry, meat, especially red and processed meats, plays a significant role in increasing acidity. Meat contains sulfur-containing amino acids like methionine, which, when metabolized, produce sulfuric acid as a byproduct. This adds to the overall acidic load in the body. Additionally, diets high in protein, particularly animal protein, are known to put stress on the kidneys as they work to excrete the acid produced from digesting these proteins. Over time, this strain on the kidneys can contribute to problems like kidney stones, osteoporosis, and even chronic kidney disease. The link between meat consumption and chronic inflammation is also well established. Inflammation, as you know, is a key player in many chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Does this mean you should cut out meat entirely? Not necessarily, but it does suggest that moderating your intake of red and processed meats is a good idea. Incorporating more plant-based protein sources, like beans, lentils, and nuts, into your diet can help reduce your overall acid load and promote a healthier pH balance. Another contributor to acid formation in the body is hybridized wheat, a staple of the modern diet. The hybridization of wheat began in the early 20th century to improve crop yields and disease resistance. However, These genetic changes have altered the composition of wheat in ways that can negatively affect health, especially for people who are sensitive to gluten. Hybridized wheat is found in a wide range of processed foods, including breads, pastries, and snacks, making it difficult to avoid. For people with gluten intolerance or sensitivity, eating hybridized wheat can lead to symptoms like bloating, digestive discomfort, fatigue, and skin rashes. The breakdown of gluten in the body can also produce acidic byproducts, contributing to an overall lower pH. Given that wheat is present in so many foods, it's important to be mindful of how much you're consuming. Exploring alternatives like ancient grains, such as spelt or quinoa, or gluten-free options can help reduce your intake of acid-forming foods and support better digestion. Caffeine is another common culprit when it comes to acid formation. Found in coffee, tea, energy drinks, and even chocolate, caffeine provides that much-needed energy boost in the morning or during a midday slump. However, it also stimulates the production of stomach acid, which can exacerbate acidity in the body. The combination of caffeine and sugar, which is present in many caffeinated beverages, can make matters even worse. Excess sugar promotes the growth of acid-producing bacteria in the gut, which can throw off your digestive balance and increase the risk of inflammation and chronic disease. Reducing your caffeine intake or opting for less acidic alternatives like herbal teas can help you maintain a more balanced pH level while still enjoying a refreshing beverage. Speaking of sugar, refined sugar is one of the most acid-forming foods you can consume. When you eat sugar, it's rapidly broken down by the body, producing acidic byproducts that lower your pH levels. In addition to this, sugar feeds harmful bacteria in the gut, leading to further acid production and digestive issues. High sugar intake has been linked to a range of chronic diseases, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Given its prevalence in processed foods, snacks, and desserts, refined sugar can be hard to avoid. However, by cutting back on sugary treats and choosing natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation, you can help protect your pH balance and overall health. Number 5. Dairy products. Dairy products, particularly aged cheeses, are also acid-forming. As cheese ages, it undergoes a fermentation process that enhances its flavor, but also increases its acidity. Cheddar, Parmesan, and blue cheese are examples of aged cheeses that can contribute to an acidic environment in the body. For individuals sensitive to acidity or lactose, aged cheeses may cause digestive discomfort or exacerbate inflammation. On the other hand, fresh dairy products like mozzarella and ricotta have a milder, less acidic effect on the body. If you enjoy dairy but want to minimize its impact on your pH, consider opting for fresher varieties and incorporating plant-based alternatives like almond or coconut milk into your diet. Number 6. Alcohol. Alcohol is another substance that can throw off your pH balance. When alcohol is metabolized, it breaks down into acidic compounds like acetaldehyde, which not only increases acidity, but also has neurotoxic effects on the brain. Chronic alcohol consumption can lead to inflammation, digestive issues, and a heightened risk of chronic diseases like liver disease and certain cancers. Number 7. Tobacco. Similarly, tobacco products contribute to acidity. The combustion of tobacco releases harmful chemicals that lower your body's pH and increase the risk of conditions like heart disease, lung cancer, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD. Reducing or eliminating alcohol and tobacco from your lifestyle is one of the most effective ways to support a more balanced pH and protect your long-term health. Achieving a proper balance between acid-forming and alkaline foods is key to maintaining a healthy pH. Experts recommend aiming for a diet that's about 70% alkaline and 30% acidic. Alkaline foods include leafy greens, fresh fruits, nuts, seeds, and other plant-based options that help neutralize the acids produced by the foods we've discussed today. Incorporating a wide variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your meals not only supports pH balance, but also provides essential vitamins and minerals that boost your immune system, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation. Additionally, drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps flush out acidic waste and supports the kidneys in maintaining pH balance. In today's video, we explored the importance of maintaining a balanced pH in your body by avoiding or limiting acid-forming foods. We discussed how red meats hybridized wheat caffeine, refined sugars aged dairy products, alcohol and tobacco can contribute to an acidic environment that may increase the risk of chronic diseases. By making conscious dietary choices and incorporating more alkaline foods into your meals, you can help restore balance, improve digestion, and protect your long-term health, though always do so under the guidance of a health professional. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health-related content. Share this information with friends and family who might benefit, and together we can build a community focused on improving health and well-being through informed health choices. And be sure to check out our useful links below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more natural health insights with you in the next video.